This NuMax Pneumatic 16-gauge 2.05 inches straight finish nailer is ideal for applications such as decorative trim, furniture trim, rail molding, crown molding, window casing, door installation, baseboards, chair rails, picture frame assembly, and hobbies and crafts. Compatible with 16-gauge straight finish nails from 1 inch to 2.05 inches. This air-powered nail gun features a quick jam release for fast clearing in the event of a jammed fastener, along with a tool-free finger depth adjust for various applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. An ergonomically engineered die-cast aluminum body makes this rugged and lightweight finish nailer easy to operate over extended periods. The comfort grip handle and NuMax safety tip ensure great results by increasing precision and preventing damage to your working surface. A one-piece drive blade of hardened steel adds to the durability of this nail gun. Air tool oil and adjustment tools are included. The pneumatic 16-gauge 2.05 inches straight finish nailer is an essential tool for DIYers at home as well as professional contractors at the job site. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Nailed it. This pneumatic 16-gauge straight finish nailer features a lightweight and durable aluminum body and an ergonomic comfort grip handle. A NuMax tip prevents dents and dings, and the quick jam release lets you easily clear jams without taking the nailer apart. Number 2. Many uses. This finish nail gun is great for interior and exterior finish and trim, furniture, cabinet work, staircases, baseboards, shoe and crown molding, window casing, and chair rail molding. Sequential firing and tool-free depth adjust to allow you to customize for any project. Number 3. The right tool for the job. We're committed to providing outstanding value, top-tier customer service, and long-lasting, high-quality products. We make nailers and staplers for every purpose, from roofing to siding to flooring and everything in between. Number 4. Tough and dependable. We make an array of durable construction tools and accessories, including staplers and nailers for siding, flooring, framing, finish, and roofing. Compare our products to similar items by Makita, Hitachi, Bostitch, Senko, Passload, and Dualt, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.